Alliance Bake Center ramp elevators. We'll start by going down.
These are old Westies. We're gonna see what they do. Look at this. It works. A working payphone. Look at that.
There's a.
Oh, wow.
Look at this off level.
Watch your step. LL. Ooh.
Look, Westy.
All right, get it. Here we go.
Should we demonstrate that?
Upstairs. Well, we will.
Oh, no trespassing.
We're to say no trespassing.
Big sign right
Okay,
there.
no trespassing. We will not go up there. Get off here. We call the elevator.
Why'd you send it down?
So we can get a car.
Okay. Oh, whoa, look at those indicators. I'll press the button.
Call the elevator. Whoops. Whoops. You know what? Only one elevator here works.
There's our security camera back there.
There's Jason.
It's innovation button, something very
There's
exciting.
our friend Mr. Security, and they're watching you film.
And you film.
4, 3.
Button already went out. Ooh. Man, this is that bell is kind of a fail.
That bell is a bell. That elevator does not work. Press it.
Not very exciting.
That'll be
You
it.
said it does work?
Yep.
Yep, it works. Cool. That'll be it.